Hello everyone, welcome to Elora's Kitchen and Lifestyle. So today let's check how to make this delicious Rohu Fish Curry. So let's get started and check out the recipe. First, marinate the fish with salt as per taste and turmeric powder half teaspoon. Now take some mustard oil 6 to 7 teaspoon. Fry all the fish pieces. Make sure the oil is hot when you are frying the fish and fry each side for 2 to 3 minutes. Once you see some color on the top, then you can just turn it to the other side. Now remove everything to a plate. Take one potato, slice them like this. Now for grinding, take half of onion, some garlic cloves 6 to 7, then 1 inch of ginger, and then some dry red chilli, and cumin seeds 1 teaspoon. 1/4 cup water. Grind everything to a smooth paste. Take little more mustard oil, then fry all the potato pieces. Fry it in high flame for 2 to 3 minutes on each side till you see some colors. You do not need to cook them, you do not need to boil them completely. Now remove everything to a plate. One bay leaf, take some mustard oil, add a bay leaf and add some half of onion. Fry them till golden brown and then add the masala paste. Add 1/4 cup of water. Mix everything well, make sure the flame is high. 1 tomato, turmeric powder, salt as per your taste. Keep the flame in medium and then cook it well. Cook till the tomatoes turn soft. Add half cup of water if you see it is getting burned. Cover and cook so that the tomato will turn soft quickly. In between, add amchur or mango powder half teaspoon. Mix it well. Now add the potatoes and again mix it and cover it and cook it so that the potato will get cooked properly. Now add 1 glass of water. Keep the flame high and let it get boiled. Add the fish pieces. Now let it cook in high flame for another 2 to 3 minutes and then switch off the flame. Finally, garnish it with chopped coriander leaves. So now our delicious Rohu Fish Curry is ready. You can serve this with rice. It tastes really good with hot white rice. Do subscribe to my channel if you want to see all such yummy recipes. So thank you everyone for watching. Have a very nice day.